Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All EVs come with a charging cable with a 3-pin plug that can be plugged into any power point. The rate of charging will be determined by the amperage of the power point, which is usually 10A or 15A, approximately 2.3 or 3.5 kilowatts, but will always be relatively slow.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Running down a kilometer-long stretch of a bus lane, an electric rail will connect with an attachment that can be built into any electric vehicle, making it possible to charge the battery while driving. 11 May 2019.
Take our lead.
A fully installed home charging point costs from £449 with the government OLEV grant. Electric car drivers benefit from a £350 OLEV grant for purchasing and installing a home charger. Once installed, you only pay for the electricity you use to charge.
Take our lead.
Is it cheaper to insure electric cars? No. In fact, electric car insurance is usually more expensive than cover for a petrol or diesel car, but there are a few reasons for the higher price point. They cost more. Electric cars don't come cheap. 29 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most electric car owners charge their cars at home overnight. In fact, people with regular driving habits need not charge the battery fully every night. In short, there is absolutely no need to worry that your car might stop in the middle of the road even if you did not charge your battery last night.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.